Hey everybody, how you doing? And welcome to the Clear Crypto channel. This is Oscar Ramos, your host, and this is an intro to technical analysis. I know some of you might be very new to cryptocurrency or investing, so I'm going to make this very beginner friendly. Now, what you're seeing right now on the screen is something called TradingView. So this is an application that you can download to your computer, or you can use it on the website, whatever you want it. In my case, I have it as an application in my computer. Now, you may see and get a little bit maybe congested, or it's too complex, right? Too overwhelming. But I'm just gonna go ahead and clean this for you by doing this and by hiding this. And there you go. Now, I can even make it much beginner friendly by going to candlesticks and using the line. Usually when you start in investing, whether it's stocks or crypto, this is what you're gonna be seeing. Just a line. It tells you not much, but just it is very intuitive. If you see the price or the line going up, that the price is coming up. If you see line going down, well, the price is selling off, it's coming down. And that's when people, get all hyped up because you can buy the dip. And when it's coming all the way up, it's to the moon. Well, when it comes to technical analysis, what I highly recommend you to do is change from the line to candles, because here's where you see a trend, and when you see what buyers and sellers are competing against, right? Here's where you can use trading patterns and, well, kind of predict and forecast a possible move in the cryptocurrency or stock. Here for cryptocurrency, specifically in Bitcoin, we can easily see I'm using the weekly view, and that's another important thing. What is the time frame that you're using when you're trying to analyze something in cryptocurrency, specifically right now crypto, right? And well, this is 2020, this is 2021, and we are right now in 2022. So if I were to ask you, do you think the price of Bitcoin will continue rising? Well, by looking at this, I think anyone could have, some understanding of the chart that you're seeing right now. You're like, well, possibly, because if we already come all the way down, chances are the price can go up and we can make money. And that is correct. But oftentimes in crypto, and as you kind of are growing in your journey, you need to find some type of indicators or some type of rules that help you predict and know how the price can come up and come down. And that is what we use technical analysis. So let's go ahead and go to the first one. And the first one that I highly recommend will be the Relative Strength Index, or the RSI, that you're seeing right here at the bottom with this purple line. Basically what it is I'm going to go ahead and expand it here on TradingView. Every time you see the line passing this dashed line, it means that it's overbought. And every time you see it cross the below line, it means that it's oversold. Now, let me explain. This basically means that people are buying more than the average of Bitcoin, and is soon for a correction. And this means that people are selling more of Bitcoin, and it's due for a pump or a comeback. That's pretty much what it is. Every time you see it here in the middle, it just means that the price is sideways trading, or the price is, performing as usual, which is really good. So that is the RSI, which is very easy to understand, and you can go to many different places, specifically here on TradingView. The only thing you have to do is go to indicators, find it as RSI, and you're gonna see it right here as Relative Strength Index. In my case, it's already favorite for me, and I can take a look at it and add it. So it's always gonna be 70 and 30 at the bottom, and that's it. That's what you're gonna see. Here, as soon as I start adding all my lines, I can, you now start seeing other lines here, but I'm gonna go ahead and delete most of them because I've been using them for some other videos. But the idea is to have some type of levels, and the best way to do that is to utilize something called the Fibonacci retracement, which you can start at a bottom price and max it all the way up to the top price of such digital currency, in this case Bitcoin. So I can start from 2020 back in October all the way to the top, which was November 2021. So at that point, I have some levels that give me an idea as far as what are the future supports and resistances that Bitcoin can take. And that is a level that you and I and many investors utilize, so they make trades and make money on the go, right? So that it is. This is the beginning of a trading strategy for anyone as a beginner. Now you know what to do in TradingView. More to come. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.